Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week we're going for useful movement number 2 on our useful Indian club movements that Tim really likes to do. Number 2 will not be a surprise to you. We are going to make infinity circles. Now again, the clubs lengthen our levers, so they're giving our brain more information, which in turn the brain is giving the body more outformation. So you're going to feel this, like it feels amazing through your torso. This feels really, really good. And this is great for your brain because again, we're crossing the midline, drawing infinity symbols. Obviously, we can go the other way, and you want to go the other way because you want to be able to go both ways. So, infinity circles with Indian clubs. This is our useful movement number 2. Oh, and these are not in any order of most important, by the way. These are just the ones that I like in the order I thought to show them to you. Now, obviously, we can do these with walking, and I like to come across and connect to X as I walk. So I want to take this shoulder towards this hip. So this foot comes forward, I'm crossing over, crossing over, crossing over, and this feels fantastic. Obviously, we can reverse this. I'm still taking that shoulder, opposite shoulder towards the opposite hip. If you have a pair of Indian clubs, this is a movement you want to do. All right, guys, that's our tip for this week. The infinity circles with clubs in our series of Indian club movements that Tim finds extremely helpful, useful, and just really feel goody. All right, I am Tim with Original Strength, and we will see you next time. Oh, wait, before you go, Thomas DeLauer is not the V-Shred guy. He's not. They really don't even look the same. Anyway, he's not the V-Shred guy.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.